Hey everyone, welcome to Redbow Unboxing. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. We do have an early pair that has just come in, although the official release is actually on the 1st of November, so this video is probably slightly late. With my viewers over in the States, the pair should be coming out tomorrow for you guys, and for us in Australia, of course, we are a bit more ahead of you guys. Yes, so this is the Adidas and Star Wars edition. This is in collaboration with Adidas and Lucasfilm, and of course designed onto the James Harden Volume 4 shoes, basketball shoes I should say. So let's get into it. As you can see, this is an original package directly from Adidas itself. So yeah, what I got here is a size 11 US. So let's get cracking. All right. What we are greeted as soon as we open the package is this. I don't know what this card called, with this illusionist kind of thing with the two lightsabers, the green and the red, Star Wars Adidas. So yeah, I think that's really nice. At the back here we do have some information. You can see it clearly there. Yeah. So I think that's really nice, something different. Let's put that aside. With the wrapper itself, we do have like a blueprint kind of thing, how to build the lightsaber. So it does have information about the crystals that it goes into the lightsaber, and a little bit of a drawing of it and stuff. So it says here, rebel against tradition, lightsaber. So I think that's a really cool addition. And these are the shoes itself. Let's check out the other side. Yeah, well, it's very nice indeed. I mean, you got this fabric on the side over here, on the tongue you got the fabric that is a bit of reflective. Of course during night it will shine up. Pretty much the exact same design of like the manufacturing of the shoe with the other HARDEN'S Volume 4s. Just the color tones a bit different. This is a purple edition from the Jedi Windu. I believe he is Samuel L. Jackson, that acts in the Star Wars. He has a purple lightsaber, and this edition, this purple shoe is of course from him, his purple lightsaber. So yeah, let's just take a closer look at that shoe. So just on the top there's the reflective here, the 3 stripes, of course Adidas stripes. In the front over here with the lace anchor point here, it says Star Wars. Just a clear look at that. And yeah, pretty much in the front here it's a suede material, leathery. Here's fabric. Here's just fabric. It's, yeah, I mean, it is like just other pairs. We got a bit of stitching design over here, a bit of embroidery. There is 4 lines over there, and here I'm not really too sure what is that. I guess it's like in the handwriting of the Star Wars handwriting. I don't know what's the meaning of that. But yeah, some, you know, artistic designs. Lettering, it says here on the front here, it says Rebel, yeah, pretty much that's it, you know. And yes, you got gold finishing on the sides here, on there's too, black sole, same sort of design, like nothing really drastically on the sole, meaning like, you know, no purpley accents or no glow in the dark. It would be nice though if the sole was glow in the dark purple. I mean, I don't know whether it's possible or not, but if there was some accents on the shoe itself being glow in the dark, that'd be really nice, you know. Probably the tongue itself having a purple, or I was just thinking probably a purple midsole, but that would look really corny and really cheap. But yeah, pretty much otherwise something, you know. But it is a very, very purple with the black, of course. I think it does look very nice to me. I mean, for a collector's edition, just to collect it and stuff, not too bad. I mean, it is priced the same as all the other Harden'S on the Adidas store. Here in Australia, it is priced at $200. From what I've seen is pretty much on the website, everything is sold out already though. But you could get yourself, I mean, on other sites like StockX and Goat and stuff like that, they are selling it. Yeah, I mean, very nice shoe though, very nice. Still got the light to it. I mean, if you want to, I mean, at the moment I do have the barbershop, I have the pink lemonade, and I have now this purple pair. I think it will look very, very interesting and very, very nice indeed, you know. But yeah, so far, I mean, so good. You still got that foam midsole, same as the other pairs, of course. It is a very nice pair though. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, I mean, don't say much, pretty much, but there is the Harden 4 Volume 4 Star Wars Edition. And I believe there are 5 different pairs, types of different pairs also coming out from other different basketball players in collaboration with the Lucasfilm Star Wars editions. So you got the red, so you got the green, and there's different types that I will try to cover all of them, all the pairs coming out, all the different pairs coming out. So stay tuned. Eventually, once those drops, I will do a video on them and talk a bit more about them. Alright everybody, well, thank you very much for taking the time to watch my videos. I do hope you do like and subscribe to my videos, and if you do have any questions or anything, please put it down in the comment section. And by the way, I did take some outdoor pictures, so towards the end of the video I will have some picture shots of I took this out in the outdoors, on the tree and stuff like that, just to show it off a bit more. Sometimes the videos don't really show as much justice as what the pictures do. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. That will be towards the end of the video, of course. But otherwise, thank you very much. Take care everybody, have a good one, bye. Please do check me out on Instagram, that is at redbow.unboxing. I'll leave a link in the description for my Instagram. Please do like and follow me there. And yes, I would have a link there also to the YouTube channel. So vice versa, if you're on the YouTube, you go to Instagram, on Instagram, come to YouTube. But otherwise, yes, I hope you are enjoying the video so far. I am trying my best to take these videos as much as possible. I do have another 3 different types of shoes coming out soon. 3 different types of videos. I did manage to get a pair. I did cop a pair of Air Max 90 Night of Mischief. That is the Halloween edition, the glow in the dark sole and stuff. So stay tuned for that video. That will be coming as soon as possible.